Everyone wants to become a fortune from their favorite things, like their favorite coin. But even though it seems impossible, some people have done it. Like, one person put only $8,000 into Shiba Inu, and now it's worth an amazing $5.7 billion. Let's take a look at their cryptocurrency trading techniques and the stories behind them. But it's important to remember that this isn't the major story yet. Individuals in Shiba whales who have a lot of Shiba Inu tokens have been regularly selling large amounts of their stocks. They just sent over $150,000 worth of Shib tokens, which are worth $22.3 billion. It only took 10 minutes to finish. Putting money into a certain cryptocurrency wallet is the first move. For some reason, this wallet was used today even though it hadn't been since October 3 RD. A lot of digital goods were stored in this wallet that wasn't being used. A tool from Arkham Intelligence that looks at blockchains just brought the two moves to our attention. 42 Bitcoin, 1.35 million USD, and 400,000 USD were some of the things that were found. 11 billion Shib tokens were added to this wallet, and right away, this address started sending the crypto tokens it had just received. This was one of the most recent moves. It did the same thing today with its Shib stocks. Someone changed the address of the wallet where the 11 billion Shiba Inu tokens were kept. This new wallet was made just yesterday, but it was only released 2 days ago. In different coins, this address has already made a total of $6.55 million. Over 1,000 ETH, which is worth $1.76 million. Over 1.8 million USD, which is worth $1.8 million. And over 75,000 Shiba Inus, which is worth over $175,000 right now. This address has not sent anything. No one knew why this money was coming in and going out at the time this movie was made. But these kinds of changes usually happen when markets rearrange their stock or when Shiba Inu token owners move their assets to cold wallets to store them for a long time. Stay tuned for the rest of the movie if you want to learn about Shiba Inus from billionaires, which is good for long-term keeping. Large cryptocurrency users are sending and receiving a lot of Shiba Inu coins. This is a pattern that is seeing more and more use. As an example, CryptBasic told people about a new email address that was collecting 4.5 trillion Shib tokens on October 6th. Another Shiba Inu whale raised 4.6 trillion Shib coins on October 11th. These big holders have kept taking their Shib tokens off of exchanges, which shows that they have changed their approach a lot, even though it's not clear what these whales are doing. Based on information from Arkham Intelligence, let's talk about our amazing story about the Shib who became billionaires. In its early stages, the Shiba Inu community got a lot of attention as a major cryptocurrency asset. This funny coin helped a lot of people become millionaires or even billionaires. There's one account that stands out, though, where an investment of $10,000 grew to an amazing $5.7 billion in just 14 months. This wallet made an amazing $7 million each time it was given back. We need to find out what made this person so crazy before we go any further. In August 2020, $88,000 was given to Shib, which was the start of this cool journey. At that point, the investor probably had no idea that this small buy would become a huge income source. More than 1,000% more Shib were there in October 2021 than in any other month. It's even more surprising that this boom only lasted 400 days. The financial world was shocked by this unbeatable return on investment. Both experts and fans have called it the best single trade of all time. In any case, it's important to know that this person has been into crypto since 2011 and has made a lot of money from it. They were very clear that they didn't know anything secret about Shiba Inus. The investor was told that Shiba Inu could be used instead of Dogecoin. People who were early adopters of Bitcoin told this investor about Shiba Inu and said it was a good option to Dogecoin. Remember that Esther, the client, confirmed that they had not put any money into Doge. They had put $8,000 into the Shib market at the beginning, but the value of the investment went down, and their partners chose to sell and take a loss. There was a lot of false information going around about them, but this person was good at making money with coins off to the side to keep their money safe. One of the main reasons they planned to keep spending was that they wanted to keep their tokens for a long time. They talked about how helpful the Bitcoin community is. The term FUD, which stands for fear, confusion, and doubt, refers to spreading false information about a cryptocurrency project or the whole cryptocurrency market in order to scare and panic buyers. FUD's main goal is to bring down the price of the target asset or market so that people who spread it can buy it cheaply or get an edge over competitors. Fear-mongering can hurt Bitcoin in a number of ways. First, it can cause the price to drop quickly and significantly, which can cost buyers money if they sell quickly in response to the bad news. People may lose faith in the crypto market because of this, which makes it harder for people to invest again. FUD showed up more than once in Shiba Inu, but luckily the creators stopped it from getting out of hand. FUD is awful because it can hurt the image of a cryptocurrency or blockchain project, which makes it harder for it to get investors. The cryptocurrency market can become less stable, trustworthy, and credible when false information, FUD, spreads. This is bad for investors and the world as a whole. It can also make regulators pay close attention to false information or claims that haven't been proven so that FUD doesn't affect their choices, partners, or developers. Long-term investment plans have generally given great returns, but that doesn't mean they will continue to do so. Because of this, it is very important for investors to do a lot of study and make decisions based on good reasoning. People who have held on to stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies for a long time have seen their values rise greatly over the years. Even though there is a chance to make money, it is important to remember that both are very unpredictable in the short term. In the Bitcoin market, price changes can be big and hard to understand. Long-term buyers, on the other hand, think that these short-term changes will even out in the end. Investors can lower some of the short-term risks that come with price changes by using more long-term investment methods. People who are willing to wait through market highs and lows may make money as the asset's value goes up. The only things that matter now are numbers and facts, as well as how you feel about short-term changes in the market. Putting long-term money into a number of different products helps spread risk in this way. Some investments can make up for bad ones with gains from other investments. You need to learn a lot about the things you want to hold for a long time for long-term investment to work. To do this, you need to learn about the market trends, the team, the technology, and the basics of the project.